Hey, welcome back. I thought I'd delve a little bit deeper into the chickpea. So I saw something online and I tried it out and it worked really well. It actually tastes pretty good. And it's kind of a sitting in front of the television with a good movie on, a nice beverage, grab a handful, chuck it in your mouth, you're good type recipe. I'm going to do some roasted chickpeas. Very simple, very easy, very delicious. So, you probably noticed what I was doing down here. I use canned on this. If you want to boil off your own and stuff like that, that's fine. Here in Colorado Springs at 6,900 feet above sea level, that takes forever for me. It's one of those, start in the morning in the slow cooker, then you get it done maybe by 1, 2 o'clock. Or break out the pressure cooker. You can't just toss it in a pan, throw some water on it, a little flavor in there, and put it on the stovetop. You can, but it's still going to take a lot of time, and you still have to keep monitoring that because you need to throw more and more water in there. So what I've done is I've got canned chickpeas, like I said. I rinsed them off. I'm going to pull the skins out of here if I can. Then I dried them out on this nice little towel. Like I said, it'll get some of these skins out of here. If you see a lot of skins, it's a good idea to do that. So, a little olive oil. Now, I tried this 2 different ways. One, put all the flavoring on it, then roast it off. Problem is, a lot of the flavorings that you put on there burns. So we'll just try it. I'm just going to throw some olive oil on here, give it a toss, and hit it with a few nice pinches of salt. Give that another little toss. Throw it on a sheet pan. Shake it to spread it out. Now it goes in a 450 degree oven. About 20 minutes, 25 minutes or so. Well, that old girl, she takes her time. I started warming her up about 2 hours ago. But I'm going to give this every 5 minutes or so. I'm going to go in and give this a shake. And I'm going to start checking for doneness at about 20 minutes. I'll let you know how long it takes in mine. Of course, your oven is probably going to be a little bit better than mine. Now, you can also do this in the air fryer if you'd like. I'm going to chuck these in the oven, and I'll be back when they're done. All right, they're done. Oh. So, I'm going to taste one just for to check to see if the salt level is correct. Very nice. Nice little crunch. It's still soft on the inside. Very nice. So let's talk about flavor that we can throw in there. Now, you've saw me use the green can and the yellow can before. Those would be great. I've got Chinese 5-spice here. That would be good too. For those of you that don't make curry, you could use curry powder or garam masala. I'm going to go, well, I'm in Colorado, a lot of Southwest flavors here. I'm going to go with half a teaspoon of coriander and a teaspoon of cumin. A few grinds of black pepper. How about a little cinnamon? That'd be nice. Just a touch. And finally, my usual preference is to use ancho chilies, but I want a little bit more spice to this. I'm going to use some powdered chipotle. You can get it off the internet. Be careful. This can be hot. Give it a toss. Give it a taste. Perfect. Just what I wanted. Nice little heat there. Store them at room temperature. I'd give them a day or so because they kind of get, well, rehydrated, I guess you could say. And they lose their crispness over time. So, with that being said, I'd go with a small batch too. Okay, this is done. I'm going to play around with chickpeas some more and, well, we'll come up with another one. I'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, all the ingredients down there in the description. While you're down there, smash all those buttons. And, check out these guys. I'll see you next time.